folders. The Adamas family of knives, designed by Shane Seibert, has been very popular for Benchmade, and they gained a reputation of being tanks. Just indestructible, hard-use folders. And so we wanted to stay true to the original design, but upgrade it both in some styling and in a materials standpoint. There's a lot of popularity in the military with these. They can put it through any abuse and rely on it. In the automatic, we're retaining the desert tan colorway, but we've lightened the blade. We've also added a completely new colorway to the family, and this is an ODG10 and Flat Earth Cerakote. This gives us a very earth tone colorway for this family. And then lastly, we've always had a black version, but now we're tungsten gray Cerakote, black G10. Again, cutting down a little bit on the high contrast jet black. This particular Cerakote has a slight texture to it, so it's a little bit more matte and less reflectivity. Other things that we've done across the entirety of the family is upgrade the blade steel. New this year for the Adamas family, we are introducing CPM crew wear. We've also added a new extension, so we've always had the manuals and the autos, and now we've added a mini version of the manual in the 273. One thing that everybody knows and loves about the Adamas is their large knives. We wanted something that was a little bit more EDC friendly. It's still a full-size knife, fills the hand very well, but isn't quite as big and bulky as the full-size knife. The redesigned Adamas family, definitely a great extension on what was a very popular family.
Low battery before an important meeting? A power bank might help. Well, or maybe its battery capacity is too low for your laptop. Or this one? Maybe not. How about this one? Introducing Storm 2, a power bank with cyberpunk style, see-through chassis, sci-fi monitor, everything about style and awesomeness. Built-in 27600 milliamp hours, high power density Panasonic lithium batteries. It can satisfy your week-long charging needs. And this is not just any ordinary power bank. It is your Storm 2. The exquisite, see-through design reveals the secret of Storm 2 by showing the sophisticated electron components. Its on-display power management system visualizes all the information you want to know. Now, you can always find the best charging mode for your energy-intensive devices through the adjustable and customizable DC barrel output port. It's also equipped with a 100-watt PD rapid charge USB-C 1 for most modern electronics like your MacBook Pro, and a 30-watt fast charge USB-C 2 for your iPhone and Switch. There are times when we have multiple devices. Want to help your friends out? Storm 2 allows you to quick charge 3 devices at the same time. Now you are the energy center among your friends. Airline safe and approved with 99.36 watt-hours, Storm 2 is always your best travel companion. This is Storm 2, entitled with the essence of style to a future power bank standards and created to make your modern life cooler, easier, and better.
Introducing Talos, the everyday carry 14-in-1 multi-tool to help you handle all sorts of tasks. Versatile, portable, and durable, Talos is your ever-ready companion for all of life's adventures. It's great to have a toolbox stuffed with all the gear you need, but when you're on the go, you need a pocket-sized tool that does it all. The Talos EDC Multi-Tool has everything you need no matter what comes your way. Bottle opener, multifunction knife, cutting pliers, slotted screwdriver, scissors, long nose pliers, round nose pliers, small scraper, Phillips screwdriver, wire stripper, threader, and can opener. A built-in safety locking feature ensures that every tool and knife will be securely locked in position and fully open. With a pocket clip, your Talos is always within reach and ready to go. For personal do-it-yourself work, home improvement, gardening, hunting, fishing, camping, and even traveling, Talos is the perfect EDC tool that always helps you out when you need it.
This is the brand new Everyday Backpack Zip by Peak Design. Based on our award-winning Everyday Backpack, the Zip is visually and functionally simpler. A super clean, urban-inspired bag, versatile enough for everyday carry or photo carry. Instant top and side access via a 270-degree zip. Inside, you'll find customizable organization that's protective and keeps things in place. There's a spot for your laptop, tablet, documents, sunglasses, cords and tech, and even a place for your keys. Outside, a weatherproof shell keeps it all safe. Need to carry more? No problem. All-day comfort, travel ready, delightful details, and durability you can rely on, all in a brilliantly simple form, built from thoughtful materials. The Everyday Backpack Zip. Everyday carry, simplified.
It's funny how easily we can lose track of time. We're constantly running around during the day, never remembering to slow down. We all should cherish time, but sometimes it helps to be reminded. Introducing NOVE TRIDENT Automatic, the Swiss-made watch for those who value time and appreciate contemporary design. It's in the small moments we let pass where the unexpected can occur. When those moments present themselves, we have to be ready. Like you, the NOVE is modern, playful, and extraordinary. High-caliber components and impeccable craftsmanship combine to create a lasting timepiece. Inspired by the unique Trident design, the 3 exposed unidirectional ratchets allow for the thinness of the case. When the world around you opens up a new path, don't be afraid to take it. Those of us that stop, slow down, and value time will be rewarded by it. Reward yourself with the NOVE TRIDENT Automatic. It's Swiss-made, powered by the R150 automatic movement. Curve-shaped sapphire crystal on both front and back create a solid yet sleek design. The Tahitian mother-of-pearl dial is top in its class for quality and style. Its screw-down crown reinforces perfect water resistance. Despite its slim design, the Trident Automatic is water-resistant up to 200 meters. Strip away all the clutter of life to refocus on what's important. The Trident's calm face of minimalism will remind you to slow down. You don't need to measure every passing moment. You can simply live in the special ones. NOVE TRIDENT Automatic, for those who value time and appreciate contemporary design.